One time Vivekananda went to America. When he goes to America, then 3 shooters are shooting in the river. They are standing on the bridge. There are some things are floating, some fruits or some dried things. Some things are floating in the river. Then they are practicing the shooting game. They wanted to participate in Olympics. Then 3 shooting. They took the guns and shooting on the river. Whatever the things are floating, they are trying to shoot that one. Then Vivekananda came and observed them. For a few minutes he observed. He asked, "Can I also shoot?" They said that, "Oh, do you know shooting?" He said, "No, first time I'm shooting." "Okay, it's okay." Then they gave the gun. It's okay. Then Vivekananda said, "First I will be shooting that one. Second I will be shooting that one. Third I will be shooting that one. I will be doing 3 shots." They got surprised. What is he talking? First time only he take the gun. He's already targeting that. He's telling. They laughed. But Vivekananda shooted exactly the right aim. First, exact right aim. Second, exact shooted the right aim. Third also he shooted exactly perfectly. Then those 3 got surprised. Wow! We are practicing from past 10 years. How can you do it? We are also not able to do it with that much perfection. Are you sure you are the first time only? He said, "I'm first time only you touch the gun." Then they said that if you go to Olympics, you will get the gold medal. How can you do this? Then Vivekananda said, back in India, our gurus taught meditation, which will increase concentration power. So with that, whatever I want to do, I'll be doing much more quality, and everything happens in accuracy, right? So shall we clap to the concentration power? Shall we clap to the meditation